My name is Rodiyah, and today we are going to learn another tutorial in Flourish. So today we are going to learn how to create. Oh, where was it? Oh, this one. This packed circles thing. So, as you can see, we can do many things with it in here. See, we can click on this, click on this. So now we're going to be creating our own data. Well, so now we're not really going to want this, so you have to click on one, press Ctrl A, and then delete. Now everything is gone, and now there's no data to display, obviously. So now I'm going to write. Here is going to be name. So firstly, rodiyah, and what else should I add? All. Let's see here. So firstly, rodiyah, and then so I'm going to write rodiyah and then maybe person, and then here I'll write other person, and then I write baby, then I write Sufyan, and then I write Isa, and then I write Habib. Okay, I guess that's enough. And now in B, I'll write category. In rodiyah, for rodiyah I'm going to write small person, small other person, medium baby, tiny Sufyan, tiny Isa, big Habib, there, and then C, here is size by. I know, but we can size by ObaTheCoder, ObaTech, ObaTheCoder. I have 1K subscribers. Person. So now this doesn't even look. This doesn't look very good because I can just click on small and then it's going to show the rodiyah, and then yes, this isn't. So I'm going to want to a person. I'm going to person will have 940 36. Other person who's medium will have 4032. Baby who is tiny has only 46, and Sufyan who is tiny has like 78. Isa is big, 131,000 and okay, me Isa's big. Whatever, I'm too lazy to write, so now I'm just going to write a random number. Habib is medium. And now we preview. Big, small, medium, tiny. Medium. Other person, Habib. Oh, this is very well. This is actually starting to look very good. Wait, let me zoom out cause for convenience. So now look, there's tiny and medium, big and small. Isa's the only person in big, sadly. There's tiny, Sufyan and baby, and there's also whatever, I'm too lazy. E is info for pop-ups. What should I do? Should I add in? So what we are doing is basically finished right now. There's tiny part, and there is medium, and there is small, and there is okay. So in info for pop-ups, let me write. I'll just write the amount of followers, like 1,009. Oops, what was it? 946, and then 4,032 and 46, 78. Let me just I'm going to write subscribers, maybe 78, and then 6,000 something, and 2809. What? Oops. Okay, so now I have this. It is where wait, you can also change the chart type. Big, Isa, other person, Habib, rodiyah person, up. Well, up doesn't do anything when you're already here. Look, big, medium, small, tiny. Sophia and baby are in tiny. There's also circles and sunbursts and bars and radial, data, size by, and the categories and nesting. Okay, so now we are going to so I changed some things a little. Yes, now you can see it. Well, you can probably see that some things have changed, and at all of that medium, there's medium and small, yeah, small person, medium person, small. Okay, so let me change it back to circles, and then you're going to see this big and this tiny and tiny is baby, and here there's another tiny that's inclusive, yeah. And well, as you can see, I added a new place. Okay, so your own, it doesn't have to be like this, so you can change it to any other names, to any other thing. You can see sings to any other thing, and yes, all of that. And also, if you want all of them to be in the same place, like all of the medium people to be in the same place, then medium, check which people are medium. Habib is in medium, so his friend is 11. Other person is medium, so his friends has to be 11. Is there anyone else in medium? No. Rodiyah is in small. Person is in small. They just have to have the like same amount. Baby and Sufyan. Isa's the only one that is big. So yes. And now here is the full product. So it's where we can click on these places. There's tiny, Sufyan and baby. Oh, let me zoom out again. And now you can medium that has other person and Habib. Isa. Okay, so now here, so now I turned on this in pop-up and panel. I turned on pop-up and panels, so that's when you click on this, then it is going to show all of these. And in tiny, you can also click on here, and then you're going to see all of these. So that just makes it better for if you want them to be able to see information about all of these. So that's the end of today's lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.